Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. I'd like to discuss with you having the premier accounting firm. Regardless of where you are in this process, today I'd like to actually share with you the tips and tricks you need to have a successful business offering quality accounting, bookkeeping, and tax services. It's what we oftentimes refer to as becoming an accountrepreneur. First and foremost, you're obviously a business owner running your own company. But secondly, you're that accounting, bookkeeping, tax, CFO advisor expert offering quality services so you can get paid what you're worth. So one of the things that I want to emphasize today is a little bit of who we are. Universal Accounting Center started in 1979, and it's as a post-secondary school. We've been working with accounting professionals for more than 40 years, helping them start and build successful accounting businesses. It's in this process that we provide quality training, certifications, coaching, and support to enable you to confidently and competently offer these services as an accounting professional. Regardless of whether you're starting or building your accounting business, this presentation is going to be for you. First and foremost, I'd like you to understand that this is achievable, profitable, and easy. Wherever you are in this process, I want you to understand that there is a turnkey system that you can implement to ensure that you're offering quality accounting services and getting paid what you're worth. Now, with that being the case, one of the things that I do want to emphasize here is that with this turnkey process, we've been developing it over 40 years to ensure that whether it be the marketing, the services you're providing, or the processes that you're implementing in your business to ensure that you're doing so efficiently and profitably, this is the discussion that you need to have today. Now, one of the things that I do want to point out is that there is a demand for accounting services. Some people sometimes wonder, how big can I grow my business? Or is actually there a need for these services? And I'm hoping to answer that for you clearly in today's presentation. The other thing that I would like to also emphasize is that in starting your business, this can be easy in the sense that it's very minimal to start your business offering quality accounting services, as well as growing your business. Very little startup costs, very little capital, and most importantly, very little expenses when also running the business from a month-to-month perspective. Some of the questions that I'll be answering for you today are, first and foremost, what are some of the obstacles that people face as they're starting or building their business? Some of those things that they need to address that we can resolve today. The second thing is we're going to address where are the real opportunities? Where is it that you can find those potential clients and engage with them? We're also going to address things related to starting and building the business, different things that you need to be aware of that you can address and resolve very easily. The other happens to be marketing to get the potential clients. Where is it that you find them, and what is the messaging you need to be taking to them for them to see value in the services that you're offering? A lot of times people also want to make sure that they're charging properly for the services they're providing. Well, we're going to address pricing. And then lastly, we're going to talk about the 2 keys to be successful. 2 things that are essential for you to actually get paid what you're worth and have a very profitable business. Let me introduce you to a little bit of where Universal Accounting got its start. Consider the late 1970s, and the gentleman's name is Alf Bostrom. He was known in the community as the turnaround king. He literally was working with small business owners, helping them take their business and turn it around. Now, one of the things that was common is he would go into work with businesses that happened to be near bankruptcy. They were literally close to failing. And he would go in and offer them his services to help market and sell their company's product or service, but also turn the company around by saying, since you're about to lose everything, your home perhaps, send all the employees away and lay them off, I'll come in, and because you've not been making profit, ask for 50% of the profit moving forward if I can turn the business around. And from the business owner's perspective, they were obviously saying, well, if I don't turn this around soon, I'm going to lose everything. So he willingly would go ahead and say, Alf, let's do this. 50% of nothing, I can absorb that. If we made $100, I'd give you $50. And Alf would go into each of these companies and literally turn them around. I can honestly tell you that even today, some of these businesses still exist. Why? Because of the proven principles and techniques that he was able to implement with them, offering quality bookkeeping, tax, and advisory services. Now, it's from that the company actually started in 1979. Why? Because many people that weren't necessarily clients of his were asking for his training for their accounting professionals, their accounting team, their office managers to go through and actually learn the principles that he was implementing with the clients that he had. And it's from that that a curriculum was developed, and from that a training was designed to actually sell and offer through Universal Accounting Center. Now, you can obviously expect that over the more than 40 years, we've refined, improved, updated the curriculum time and time again to ensure that you're getting the correct principles to actually start and build your successful accounting business. Since then, we've worked with companies around the world, helping individuals start and build their accounting businesses to offer these same quality accounting services. And that's what we're going to talk about today.